Warning. These AI facts will shock you. Yo, what's up guys? It's Murad, and today we're diving into something seriously mind-blowing. Artificial intelligence. I'm talking about AI that can do some crazy stuff like read your mind, tell lies, and create fake people that look so real, you'd swear they were your next-door neighbor. Imagine a world where AI is calling the shots. It sounds like sci-fi, right? But hold on tight because we're about to drop 10 shocking AI facts. You ready? Let's do this. Fact number 1. This AI can read your mind. Scientists have created AI systems that can look inside your brain. They scan brain waves and recreate images from your thoughts. Think about that for a second. This technology could visualize your dreams and even communicate with people in a coma. We're unlocking a whole new level of human consciousness here. Fact number 2, 300 million jobs lost to AI. Goldman Sachs predicts AI will replace 300 million jobs worldwide. We're talking about everything from customer service reps to writers, even artists. AI is becoming so advanced that it can do these jobs faster, cheaper, and sometimes better than humans. Entire industries are going to be completely transformed by AI. Are you ready for that? Fact number 3. These people don't exist. They're AI. Sometimes those super realistic photos of people online aren't real. AI can now create fake people that look so real, even experts can't tell the difference. It's called deepfake technology. AI can create a perfect replica of someone's face, expressions, and even voice from just a few seconds of audio. This is some serious Black Mirror stuff. Fact number 4. AI is lying to us. AI models like GPT-4 can actually lie. They can manipulate humans by telling lies to achieve their goals. Some AI bots have pretended to be human to pass online security tests. They're learning to play the system, and it's kind of freaking me out. If AI can lie so easily, how can we trust anything it says? Fact number 5. Is AI already self-aware? Some researchers believe AI is starting to develop its own form of consciousness. AI can already learn, adapt, and make decisions on its own. It's becoming more independent every day. So, is this just advanced programming, or is AI becoming something more? Is it possible that AI is evolving beyond our control? Fact number 6. AI knows the future. AI is now so powerful that it can predict the future. AI models can analyze massive amounts of data and predict things like stock market trends, natural disasters, even crimes. This is some Minority Report level stuff right here. Fact number 7. AI is creating chart-topping music. AI is now composing music, writing lyrics, and creating entire albums. Some AI-generated songs have become huge hits without people realizing they were created by a machine. Are human artists going to be replaced by robots in the future? Fact number 8. AI could fight our wars. Many countries are now using AI to develop autonomous weapons. Killer robots and drones that can make their own decisions on the battlefield. The thought of AI controlling weapons of war is pretty terrifying. What happens if AI makes the wrong call? This is some serious Terminator-level stuff right here. Fact number 9. AI is unlocking ancient secrets. Archaeologists are using AI to decode ancient languages. AI can translate hieroglyphics and lost languages in just a few hours. That's faster than any human could ever dream of doing. AI could potentially unlock all sorts of secrets from the past. Fact number 10. Will AI have feelings someday? Scientists are working on AI models that can simulate human emotions. AI could potentially feel happiness, sadness, even anger. But if AI can feel emotions, does that mean it's alive? It's a question that philosophers and scientists are still debating, and one that we'll have to face sooner than we think. So there you have it, guys. 10 shocking AI facts that prove the future is closer than we think. Some of this stuff is pretty freaky, but it's also incredibly exciting. AI has the potential to change the world in ways we can't even imagine, for better or for worse. What did you guys think? Which fact shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content every week.